What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you guys want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And if you want the additive edge in the trading field, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I changed the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market. And guys, I changed this way back on the 7th. And we have had a massive run up since, and guys, we're getting a new pattern which could be forming out right now. I want to show you guys just how to tackle this on your favorite exchange. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, now I just wanted to start with Bitcoin today. Definitely some amazing stuff going on in the field right now. Bitcoin pumping all the way up to around 45, 48. I mean, some just massive price run up. And what's really epic about it is if you zoom in, guys, look at this. We basically bounced right off of what was a polar support retracement. Man, playing as a resistance just perfectly right there. Not even touching the 200, but basically getting a perfect bounce off the 100. Guys, that is the relevancy of not just the polar supports, but the estimated moving averages, specifically on the daily in this reference, okay? But let's go down to the smaller time frames and just see what's going on. Okay, guys, so we're just going to work with the 1 hour for right now. We'll just start here, and we'll go down to the smaller time frames and do the patterns and then patterns later. But let's just start and work with what we've got right here. So I'm just going to start drawing all the patterns that I see right here. Definitely a lot of them playing out very nicely. We're just going to make them all white here, just going off of the 1 hour. Actually, we're going to make them nice and yellow, actually. Let's go back for a second. Remember, guys, color coordination is extremely important here. So when you're actually doing your patterns, they really just jump right off the page at you. So color coordination is actually really, really important here. And notice lots of the wedge play. For instance, you'll see the 7 and the 20 actually break out of the pattern right prior to the movement, okay guys? And then you can confirm that with the volume down here, okay? An easy way to read that a move is happening, okay? I want you guys to always be able to pick that up. Now, slight retracement right there. Basically, I consider that a small flag, guys, just a very small flag which pumped right out of it, and we got a nice barbell theory playing out nicely here. For instance, the barbell playing out nicely. Look at that. That's one you can curl all day, guys. Whenever you see that expansion, you're going to get the compression to the right and then the expansion again, guys. And the price action will noticeably follow right in the volume as well, which is very important. Okay, keep an eye out for that in each movement. Okay, let's just talk about the recent patterns, guys. We could go over all those patterns, but let's just jump to the end, right where we're at now, what could be forming out. Okay, so I'm going to stay on the 1 hour for right now. A couple things I think could be happening. So for starts, let's draw the immediate resistances and supports that are possible in pattern, okay? We're going to keep these yellow. Brief moment of overbought territory, okay, and just a very long wedge playing out at the bottom here, okay? Let's see how this starts to play out right here. There could be, for instance, a head and shoulders playing out very wide if this breaks down a little further. And then there would be a very clear point of what would be support. And notice that would line up right with the 200. Okay, that's the relevancy. So what I want you guys to, in essence, do is play this channel in combination with what could be a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, now we could get a flag to pump out of this. Say we get a pump up and we break this, what was polar support, now resistance. Then we could expect to maybe see a continuation movement up towards 48,000 and change. Okay, guys, that's exactly what I would be predicting, and I would use wedge theory for these moments, just for target projection either way, until we get a solid confirmation of a head and shoulders playing out properly. Okay, guys, that's exactly what I'm looking at, and I think you guys should play it just like that. Okay, guys, and that's all the time I have for today, guys. Just amazing times in cryptocurrency, guys. I have just been so swamped. It is incredible. I'm going to be going to ETH Denver. It is going to be glorious. And then Bitcoin Miami will be my next stop, and that will be April 6th through 9th. If you want to meet me, go to either of those conventions, guys. And just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.